Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back with 2 Etsy hauls, so let's just hop right in. Alright, so I have never ordered from Paper Loving Mommy before. So I really wanted this year a fun set of like stickers for holidays, things like that. And I'm trying to see here if you hear me I was thinking that she did Hanukkah on here because we go to a Messianic Jewish church, which means it's a Christian Jewish church, if that makes any sense. So, but I don't think she has Hanukkah, because I always look for that. But these are so sweet. Now I'm a grandparent. I can have Grandparents' Day. Yay! So, and I'll have to remember for my daughter's in-laws to send them something too. But anyway, so I thought these were so charming, so beautiful. They're very small. And again, she sent extras. Hey, let's look at the extras. Quit talking, huh? Get to the good stuff. But I haven't done one of these in a long time. I mean, I've had them, and I just didn't get them done. But I feel like this is the year. This is the year. So, let's see. The extras are, hold on. Let's see. Oh, that is so cute. Mani-pedi, pay bills. Oh, the water. I really like her style. It's really pretty. Ah, fun. Fun, fun, fun. And then here is her information. It is Michelle Carson at Planner Loving Mommy. Planner Loving Mommy. So here it again. You've got that. So super, super cute. Love that. It's the first time, like I said, I've ordered from her. And you'll have to forgive me. I was going through the mail and condensing things down, so I had them both in here. I think I have everything out of here. Yeah, I do. Okay, so this is from my friend, Robin Plans. And, hold on real quick. I know this is the, oh, okay. Alrighty. Okay, that's right. She had refunded me some of it back. So, and that's a really good thing to say about Robin. Robin Plans does a great job about if you order something and somehow it doesn't add up the shipping correctly, she'll refund it. She's super great about that. By the Will for God does that. I'm trying to think of the other shops. I mean, like they go out of their way to be sure. And I always say, you know, like sometimes if I order 2 different orders, I'll say, can you combine? So look at the Christmas ones, warm and cozy. I love that. And then weekend, fun. And guys, I went to the Hobby Lobby sticker sale and stocked up for like the year. And in it is a lot of the nativity stickers that I'm going to do in my planners over the holidays. So I'm going to do some with this, of course my work one, and then I'm going to do some with my Christmas stickers. And I might just combine them all. Ooh, she sent extras. Yay. Love it. Okay. We'll look at that in just a second. So, let's see what this one is. Ooh, I love that. I might just plan with that. While I'm here, it says Happy Thanksgiving. Isn't that pretty? I hope that's showing up on camera. Sorry, I'm not in my normal spot. So, and these are a little bit lighter, but very pretty. Oh gosh. She does such a, ooh, I love the blue. Look at the thankful. Oh, that is so cute. I'm right now taking a course online, or I will be. I've signed up for it on how to make stickers. So I'm super excited. My sister-in-law has been working with me on some digital, teaching me digital, like creating digis for our Bible journaling. And I'm super excited. So, all right, let's look at the, oh, Elf on the Shelf. I love the pink. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Oh my goodness gracious. And it says Merry Christmas. Thank you, Robin. I love that. Anyway, so it's always fun to learn new things. So it is Robin Plans on Etsy. And here is all of her contact information. So it is, she has a YouTube channel. She has an Etsy shop, and it's called Robin Plans. So, and her YouTube channel is the same. So, all right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. It not only lets me know what you like, which is the most important, but it also supports our channel. and it helps it to grow via algorithm good stuff. So anyways, and then leave a comment if you have anything that you'd like to ask, or you can also email me at josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com. And if you're not subscribed, why not? This is a fun channel filled with amazing people, and it's just a really great community, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. And lastly, if this would encourage somebody else, please feel free to share it. And all right, if you get a chance, go by, take a look at Planner Lovin' Mommy and Robin Plans. And that's it for here. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. And I will be talking to y'all soon. Thanks for stopping by. Love y'all.